Good morning, everyone, and happy Wednesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Just a reminder that the TipRanks TV platform is now live, and I'll be replying to all of your comments in the comment section over there following this video, so make sure you check out the link in the description down below. You can also catch some exclusive series over on the TipRanks TV platform as well, so make sure you take a look, check them out, and let us know your thoughts. Now this morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the red so far this morning. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.27%, S&P 500 futures down 0.33%, while Nasdaq futures are down 0.46%. Tesla has officially opened their Berlin Gigafactory, with both Elon Musk and German Chancellor Olaf Scholz attending the ceremony. The opening of the German plant saw the delivery of the first cars produced at the facility, the Model Y type, to some 30 customers and their families. The factory is expected to produce 500,000 cars annually at full capacity. In addition to producing cars, Tesla also plans to produce battery cells for cars at the Gigafactory in Berlin. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 6.8%, while most recent ratings are far more bullish from 25 to 50% upside. Personal finance company SoFi Technology has announced a new feature for its members that invest in cryptocurrency. Now, members will be able to invest part of every direct deposit into cryptocurrency with no fees. SoFi has launched this feature so that members can automate their cryptocurrency purchases with each paycheck for no purchase fee, either by investing by dollar amount or percentage of their deposit into one of 30 coins. The feature is already active for members with both a SoFi Invest Crypto account and SoFi Checking and Savings account. The company has also launched an online education center to educate investors who are new to the world of cryptocurrency. The SoFi stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 73%. Aurora Cannabis has reached an agreement to acquire fellow cannabis company Terra Pharma in a deal worth $38 million. The deal, which involves Aurora Cannabis acquiring Terra Pharma's popular Thrive Cannabis brand, is likely to close in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2022. With the impending acquisition of Thrive Cannabis, Aurora Cannabis is likely to further solidify its position in the Canadian market and subsequently shift its focus to other premium products like dried flower, pre-rolls, vapor products, and concentrates. Analysts currently rate the Aurora Cannabis stock a moderate sell with an average upside of 41%. And Marriot International has entered into an agreement with Baraka Lodges to open its first luxury lodge at the Mara National Park in Africa. JW Marriott Masai Mara Lodge is expected to be operational by 2023. The company has an existing portfolio of 120 properties in Africa. The lodge will be located on the banks of the River Talek, offering its guests an opportunity to be one with the Masai Mara National Reserve's breathtaking vistas, abundant wildlife, and endless plains. Their stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside just shy of 4%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Winnebago, Cintas Corporation, and General Mills. And in the after hours, we'll hear from companies like Funware and KB Home. Last night, we heard from Adobe, who beat analyst expectations on both earnings and revenue, but did have disappointing guidance for the next quarter. Adobe reported adjusted earnings of $3.37 per share, surpassing the estimates of $3.34. Their revenue hit $4.26 billion, growing 17% year over year and beating analyst estimates of $4.24 billion. For their second quarter, they're projecting net revenue to be $4.34 billion, missing analyst estimates of $4.41 billion. They're currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 25%. We also heard from Poshmark, who had a wider than expected loss for their Q4. They reported a quarterly loss of 19 cents per share, wider than the street's loss estimate of 18 cents per share. They had posted a loss of 25 cents per share in the same quarter last year. Meanwhile, their net revenue did climb over 21% to $84.2 million, surpassing consensus estimates of $80.6 million. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 20%. And yesterday morning, we heard from Carnival Cruise Lines, who did have weaker than expected results for their first quarter. Carnival reported quarterly revenues of $1.62 billion. That was up 6,100% from the same quarter last year, but did fail to surpass the analyst estimates of $2.32 billion. Their loss per share for the quarter stood at $1.66, narrower than the previous year's figure of $1.80, but a bigger loss than the estimates of just 90 cents per share. Analysts currently rate their stock a hold with an average upside of nearly 20%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by GameStop after Ryan Cohen purchased 100,000 more shares. Under the ticker GME, the stock is currently up 13%, following gains of 30% yesterday. They're followed by the Tilray stock under the ticker TLRY. The stock is up over 10% on no distinct news. And IronSource under the ticker IS. Their stock is currently up 7%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Ermenegildo Zegna, although I wasn't able to find any distinct news behind the drop. Under the ticker ZGN, the stock is down 7.3%. They're followed by Archaea Energy under the ticker LFG. The stock is down 6% after they announced a secondary offering. And Spirit Aerosystems under the ticker SPR, the stock is down 5.5%. It seems investors are selling off part suppliers like this following the Boeing 737 crash. So that is going to be everything for Wednesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning over on the TipRanks TV platform. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.